In this video, I will be showing you how to use Grok voice mode. Let's get started. I start on my browser homepage and click the search bar to type Grok. I see the search suggestions drop down and click on Grok to search for it. In the search results, I click the main Grok link to navigate to the official page. Once the website fully loads, I see the main input dashboard. I look over to the right side of the chat bar and click on the small microphone icon to activate voice mode. A permission prompt pops up asking if Grok.com wants to use my microphone, and I click allow while visiting the site. The interface shifts into a full-screen voice connection screen and it displays a message saying you may start speaking. After listening to my prompt, the voice mode screen drops down, displaying the question I asked, which reads, "Hi Grok, what's one simple habit that can make my day more productive?" Underneath, Grok displays and reads out the response about starting the day by writing down top 3 priorities.
One simple habit is to start your day by writing down your top 3 priorities. Keeps you focused and beats decision fatigue.
I listen to the advice and prepare my follow-up. After a moment, I ask my next question, and the interface automatically updates with the text. Can you give me another tip?
Batch similar tasks together, like checking emails only twice a day. Cuts down on context switching and keeps your flow going.
Grok quickly processes this and displays the text for the next piece of advice, which suggests batching similar tasks together like checking emails twice a day. As the voice reads it aloud, I think about why this technique is helpful. I follow up by asking, "Why do you recommend that?" Grok immediately captures the phrase, shifts the screen slightly, and generates an in-depth explanation stating that context switching kills focus and wastes mental energy.
Context switching kills focus and wastes mental energy. Batching similar tasks lets your brain stay in one mode so you get more done with less effort.
The full chat history of our spoken conversation is now laid out clearly on the main screen for me to read over at any time. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.